Everybody coolin'.
Today is like any other day. Your time, your space, caught up in the race to find a way to love someone and stay. It may grind you to a halt and pay you to remain in pain with all the other horse. Today is like any other day. Goodbye. Tomorrow has no date. It's late. You're late. There is no other train to beg or borrow. It's fate. Accept your